In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Substack private with the current integration setup. Let's get right into it. Start by opening Substack in your web browser. Once the page is fully loaded, look over to the left sidebar and click on Dashboard. This will take you straight into the Publisher Dashboard area, where you manage everything related to your publication. Now, if you happen to manage more than one publication under your Substack account, you will need to make sure you are working on the correct one. To do that, head over to the upper left corner of the dashboard and click on the Publication Switcher. A small menu will appear listing all of the publications tied to your account. From that list, click on the specific publication you want to make private. The dashboard will then refresh and load the details for that selected publication. Once you are inside the right publication, the next thing to do is open the Settings area. Move your mouse back to the left sidebar and click on Settings. Give the page a moment to fully load, since the publication settings page can take a second to appear depending on your connection. When the settings page is open, look again at the left sidebar inside this section and click on Privacy. This will bring you to the page where all of the privacy controls for your publication live. Now we are going to turn on Private mode. Inside the Privacy section, scroll until you locate the option labeled Private mode. Once you see it, click the toggle that sits to the right of Private mode to switch it on. After clicking the toggle, Substack may display a confirmation message on the screen, asking you to verify that you really want to enable this setting. If that message appears, simply click OK inside the message box to confirm your choice. After confirming, take one more look at the Private mode toggle and make sure it has stayed in the switched on position. This confirms that the change has been saved correctly and that Private mode is now active on your publication. And that is it. Your Substack publication is now fully private. From this point forward, non-subscribers will not be able to read any of the posts you publish. Anyone new who comes across your publication will be prompted to request access first before they can subscribe and view your content.